May make you a little sweaty, may take a little longer. It's certainly a great way to help the environment and cap off CT Rides Week here in Connecticut. It's just drenched.
Oh my goodness, yeah. Well, people here in Connecticut have been gathering to participate in Bike to Work Day. And that's where we find Fox Connecticut's Angelica Spanos. She is live at the Old State House now with more. Morning, Angelica.
Hey there, Erica and Logan. We're downtown here in Hartford at the tent for Bike to Work Day. A ton of bikers coming through here this morning. The rain's been holding off so far, so it's been pretty good because everyone's staying dry out here. But I met two buddies here, Steven and Kevin, and they biked a long way this morning, all the way up from Mystic and Waterford. So that's a long ride. Tell me about it.
Well, it started fairly early. My ride started at 3:20 is when I left this morning. I met Steven in a couple towns over in Waterford at around 4:18, and then we just started riding. And we were shooting to get here, you know, by the time everything started underway, but we were actually way ahead of schedule because we had a really good wind behind us. It was just pushing us. So we were here probably 6:45. The total ride time was 3 hours and 11 minutes.
That's still a long ride, though. So, do you bike to work all the time? You said you're going to go back to work after this. You look kind of like you use your bike a lot.
I do. I bike to work every single day. Rain, shine, snow, sleet. So I just do it all year.
And why two wheels?
Why two wheels? It's fun. It's a lot of fun, you know, and I just prefer it. I don't have to sit in traffic anywhere on the highway, and I just ride. A lot of time to think while you're riding, and, you know.
Do you have a car?
One car. I'm a one-car family.
Okay.
So my wife will normally I like to leave it with her in case she does need it.
Great. Okay, so other than the, convenience of it, it's also a health thing and an environmental thing. So biking to work kind of encompasses a lot of things other than just road and traffic, which is kind of what we've learned here this morning. A lot of people saying they use it for convenience, but also to get their workout in for the day. If they have a quick ride, even a 20-minute bike ride can be your day of exercise. So today is National Bike to Work Day. Everyone here in Connecticut celebrating it behind us. If you're in Hartford or going through Hartford, be sure to stop through State House Square. You can grab a snack and then head out to work. That's the latest for now. We're live in Hartford. Angelica Spanos, Fox Connecticut.
Angelica, thanks. Nicely done. 3 hours, 11 minutes.
Oh.
It's nice that Hartford is trying to put more bike lanes on the highway, or not on the highways, on the roads. Because I think that would make more people try it if you feel a little more safer.
Yeah. And of course, always just make sure you keep an eye out for those.
I'm just thinking he's got a 3-hour ride back home now.
Yeah, sounds like it.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we have some improvements out here. Metro North has